Hi everyone. Today I'm going to tell you a story about Prophet Suleiman and a Hoppoe. Once upon a time there was a king named Prophet Suleiman. He ruled a very powerful kingdom. One of his helpers was a Hoppoe. He helped him for many things. Then one day, Prophet Suleiman told the Hoppoe to travel somewhere. The Hoppoe went to a land in Yemen where people worship the sun. The, then the Hoppoe came back and told Suleiman about that. Then he gave him a letter and told him to send the queen that letter. Then he sent the queen the letter, and then the queen wanted to give gifts to Suleiman. Suleiman did not want them, so the queen decided to visit Suleiman. Then he ordered one of his jinn to bring her throne into Suleiman's palace and build and make a wall and make a floor that had water in it. When the queen came in, she was surprised to see her throne, and when she saw the floor covered with water, she lifted up her skirt so that it won't get wet. Prophet Suleiman told her that the water was underneath the floor. So the queen loved the palace and accepted Islam. I hope you like my story about Prophet Suleiman and the Hoppoe. Bye. The story of the Hoppoe or Hudhud is in Surah Al-Naml. Oh, through the story we have learned that animals make us more cautious of Allah, and we should follow His advice. If you like my video, and also please subscribe to my channel. Bye.